Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make chicken cutlets. These make a wonderful snack or quick lunch. We'll need 2 cups of yellow onions chopped and 4 green chilies finely chopped. Use more chilies if you like it spicy. This is 4 cups of cooked chicken that I've cut up. No bones or skin. I roasted a big chicken the other day and had a lot of meat left over. Of course, you can cut this recipe in half if you have less cooked chicken. You can even buy a rotisserie chicken from the store and pull the meat off of that. Fresh lemon juice, salt, a half a teaspoon ground turmeric, 2 teaspoons ground coriander, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and a half a teaspoon red chili powder. A tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which is equal parts ginger and garlic blended. We'll use 2 or 3 eggs to bind the mixture so we can form the cutlets. If we need breadcrumbs, we'll add a few tablespoons. Heat up a pan and add a few tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add the chopped onion and green chilies, a little salt, and saute until golden. Add the ginger garlic paste and cook for another minute until the raw flavor goes away. Add the ground turmeric, coriander, garam masala, half a teaspoon salt, and stir for a minute. Add a half a teaspoon of red chili powder, the cooked chicken, 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice, and mix. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Taste and add more salt if you need to. Set this aside to cool a little bit. Now we'll process the mixture. Pulse just a few times in a food processor. This is a wonderful way to use up your leftover cooked chicken. Add 1 egg and mix. 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. I'll add 2 more eggs. You want the mixture to hold together well enough to form a cutlet. Just like that. Heat up a pan and pour enough oil to coat the bottom. Put the cutlets in. Cook for a few minutes on each side until golden brown. Drain on a plate lined with paper towels. These are great with green chutney or ketchup. Crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. You can leave the chicken mixture in the fridge for a few days and make cutlets when you need them. I do hope you try this recipe and share your comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.